Hey guys, in this video we are going to see that how to stop the background apps running in the Windows PC. First of all, go to settings and go to the privacy and reach to the background apps. Here you can disable an application that you do not want to refresh in background, or you can disable all of the below listed applications. So all of these applications are stopped. It will help you to free your RAM memory. So if you are going to load some heavy application, then please disable all of these applications which is not necessary to you. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.